Hello, in this tutorial, we're going to create a completely randomized design or CRD. The package we use for this tutorial is FielDHub. If you haven't installed this package, you need to install it before you can use it. I have already installed this package into my computer, so I just run it by using the code library. I run it now. After we run this code, we can check the structure of the CRD code or CRD function. We use a question mark and CRD. We run it. And this is the structure of CRD function. T here is a treatment. Reps is a replicate or the number of replicate. Plot number is a number of plot. And this is a location name. The location name is a name where you conduct the experiment. Seed, that is a code you can use to have the same design every time you rerun the code. And data here, that is the data you going to get that include two columns. One column is the label of each treatment and the other column is the number of replicate. Now we're going to create a CRD design that has 5 treatment and 4 replicate, and the plot number we use the default 101. And the seed number I select here 123. You can select another number. And the location name is greenhouse. I run this code. After we run this code, we can check the information of the design by using info design. But before that, we need to use CRD that we already named above. And we need to use a dollar symbol. We can run it. And as you can see here, and this design has a 5 treatment and the treatment from T1 to T5. And the number of replicate is 4. The location name greenhouse and the seed number is 123. To see the design, we can use the field book or we can use a plot. If we use the field book, we will have the table. You can see here. And this is a design for this experiment. The first column is ID column, and the second column is a location or location name, and this is a plot number. The last two columns is replicate and treatment. As you can see, there are 4 replicates and they are arranged randomly. And the last column here is a label treatment, and the treatment from T1 to T5, and the treatment are also randomly arranged. You can see the design as a graph by using plot function. And you use plot and then CRD. And we use 1 here. We run and we can see. And this is a completely randomized design 4 multiply 5. In this case, there are 4 rows and 5 columns. If you want to see 5 rows and 4 columns, you replace the number 1 here with the number 2. I run it and you can see it. And now you can see the design is 5 multiply 4. That means 5 rows and 4 columns. If you want to label the treatment differently, for example, you can label 5 treatment as A, B, C, D, and E. You use this code. You just use C and then a bracket, and then you label as A, B, C, D, and E. And we run this code. After we run this code, we can see the information of the design. As you can see, the treatments now is A, B, C, D, and E. We also can see the design by using the code field book here. And now the label of treatment is A, B, C, and D. And of course, with the plot function, you also can see. Now T from 1 to 5 was replaced with A, B, C, and D. Of course, you can see with 5 rows and 4 columns. And this is 5 rows and 4 columns. After you have this chart, if you want to export your chart into an image, you can use this code. That's a PNG. This is a type of image. And then you use this code to go to the location you want to shift the image. And then you name the image, that is CRD dot PNG. And this is the resolution of image, the width and the height of image, and the unit for the width and the height. And then here you need to have the plot function. And at the end, you have the code def.off. Now you can run this code. After you run this code, we can check the image. I shape the image in the download, and here is the image. I open this, and you can see. And this is a completely randomized design 5 multiplied 4. That is what I want to show you today. I hope the video is useful for you. Thank you for watching.